Hola amigos, Miguel the Dory Bluevin Roblox fan here. So today, this is the video right now. Did you see a cool video? That there's a cool light in this plane. Well, glad I'm back in US, aka my homeland. Well, by the way, Philippines is my old homeland. Wow, how come this speed so fast as hell? Oh darn. Oh, this is cool. So this gate is so close to the runway, huh? Right, Dory fans? I love it. I love this way. This is the best way. It looks like I saw the engine like doing
please double check seatbelts even clear for departure and drive line.
Alright. By the way, I don't like having turbulences. Just like the turbulence. The turbulence is like when I fly back to Las Vegas from Sacramento at the night, I was pretty scared because I would think the plane would crash. But when it landed, everybody just applauded, which is cool. I'm very glad it landed. I don't like it. I don't like plane crashes. They'll scare me. I'll get killed. But I don't want to die because I'm too young. Let's go. On the runways. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Avalanche! I saw kids are talking in this plane. Let's ready to go for the king of the Dory fans. Dory rules, everybody. Let's go. Going back home. Even I saw on the Airlines, Air France, and KLM. Oh darn. This is too fast. This plane is fast, guys. Isn't it cool? Let me know in the comments. We're floating up in the sky. Adios, LAX. Time to go back home. Let's go. Lol, we're not going to. We're just going around the beach. We're not going in the ocean. So yeah. So go left, plane. I swear, go left. Go left, plane. I swear. Go left. Damn. There might be sharks. Even I don't like. I might see fish. Bro, plane, go left. Subscribe, please, so the plane will go left. Bye.